How to change phone number on Amazon without old phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your phone number on Amazon without old phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you don't need your old phone number to change your phone number on Amazon unless you are not logged in, because as long as you are logged in, you remember your password, you have your email address, you can definitely change your phone number. For example, I can open up my Amazon shopping app. Here I am already logged into my account. Now, even if I don't have the access to the current phone number that is added inside this account, I can still change it. So I can simply come to the account tab that you can find here. Then you can go to your account. Under your account, I can simply go to login and security and then tap on it. Then under login and security, here you can see primary mobile number. So you can just tap on the add or the edit button. It will directly take you to the page where you can enter the new phone number. You don't have to verify the current phone number. Just enter the new phone number, verify the OTP code, and then you'll be able to change it. This way you can change your phone number on Amazon without old phone number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.